In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your Wells Fargo credit card bill 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make a one-time payment in the app, and if you want, set up autopay so you never miss a due date. Start by opening the Wells Fargo mobile app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're on a secure connection and that your app is up to date for the smoothest experience. Once you're in, you'll land on your account overview, where you can see your checking, savings, and credit card balances at a glance. If you use Face ID or a fingerprint to sign in, that works here too. Next, head to Transfer and Pay. You'll typically find it in the bottom navigation or in the main menu. This area is where Wells Fargo groups money movement tasks, including transfers, bill payments, and credit card payments. Choose the option to pay your credit card. If you have more than one card, select the one you want to pay. Now enter your payment details. First, pick the account you want to pay from, such as your Wells Fargo checking or savings. If you've previously linked an external bank, you can choose it here as well. Then select the amount. You can pay the minimum due, the statement balance, the current balance, or enter a custom amount to fit your budget. Choose your payment date, today for same-day posting if you're before the cutoff, or schedule a future date that works for you. Keep in mind that weekends and holidays can affect posting times. If there's a memo or note field, it's handy for your own records, but it's optional. Before you send the payment, review everything carefully. Confirm the from account, the credit card you're paying, the amount, and the payment date. When it looks right, submit the payment. You should see a confirmation screen with a reference number. Save or screenshot that in case you need it later. You can usually view the payment as pending under recent activity, and if it's scheduled for a future date, you can modify or cancel it before the cutoff time. If you'd like to put your payments on autopilot, set up autopay. Choose the amount type. Statement balance to avoid interest, minimum due to stay current, or a fixed amount you set, and pick your funding account and payment date, commonly the due date. Confirm the setup and you're done. Just keep enough money in your account on draft days, and remember you can update or pause autopay in the same area if your plans change. That's it. Quick, clear, and secure. Thanks for watching, and happy banking.